Good morning, people of the tube. Here's a quick parcel from All Outdoor, again, my favourite guys, and it's a double whammy this episode. What I'm going to do, I'll show you the unpackaging and then we will dissect it into two other videos. Okay, so first things first, this little bad boy. This, I've never even heard of these things before, and I just spotted it on All Outdoor's website. It got me thinking, you know, good price, £8. It's true utility, and it's the skeleton knife. You can't say fairer, can you? £8. Sure, I'll find a home for it. The thing is, it comes in this polycarbonate, weather resistant or weatherproof hard case, which you can use for other stuff, you know, keep things dry. I've seen a guy using the same box for his tinder, which I think I'm going to do. Keep all your dryer fluff in it and such. Now I think most of these products come with those cases, so yeah. Now then, well, it's quite dinky. It's smaller than I thought it was going to be. That's it compared to a Spartan. Okay. Now, ouch. Pretty stiff. I guess once it's worked in, it'll be a good one-handed opener. But that's alright. Nice little thing. Bit of jimping right there. Fairly sharp. Yeah, fairly sharp. And it's a frame lock apparently, so I guess if I just depress, yeah, and it folds away. Nice rubber grip there. One hand opening. I think it needs to be opened a few times before that works. Yeah, kind of cute. And there you go. True utility skeleton knife. What's this? Something with my address on. A big thank you from All Outdoor. Always promote these guys. Got great great service, great stock. Good all round. Now then, my old favourite, Victorinox. And it's a Spartan in black. Obviously, out of the box you get the wee leaflets. Shows you how to work the can opener, the different parts of the tools, several languages, general maintenance, where to find everything, and your guarantee. And this is a Spartan, like any other, except it's black. And to be honest with you, £13 for a brand new knife. You can't fault it, you know. I would honestly go and check out All Outdoor. Price is superb. Just a Spartan like any other. Oh, wish I hadn't done that. But it's black and it's brand new and it's mine. Corkscrew. And the all. Toothpick. Oh, I've done the old thing, there you go. And tweezers. So that's that. That is your common or garden Spartan, which I now have a red one, a black one, and over there in my collection I've got a camo one. Just ping back and have a look at my older videos. Okay, thanks for watching. True utility skeleton Victorinox Spartan in black. Ciao for now, YouTube. See you all soon.